Good. Exemplary. Outstanding or perfect in quality. Her leadership during the crisis was exemplary, earning her widespread admiration. The students' exemplary performance in the exam set a new standard for others. The company is known for its exemplary customer service, which keeps clients loyal. Rich. Opulent. Ostentatiously rich and luxurious. The opulent palace was a symbol of the king's wealth and power. They stayed in an opulent hotel suite with a breathtaking view of the city. The wedding was an opulent affair with no expense spared. Bad. Deplorable. Deserving strong condemnation. The deplorable conditions in the prison sparked international outrage. It is deplorable how little action has been taken to address climate change. The politician's deplorable behavior during the debate cost him public support. Happy. Jubilant. Feeling or expressing great happiness. The team was jubilant after their unexpected victory in the finals. The crowd was jubilant as the fireworks lit up the night sky. She felt jubilant when she received the news of her promotion. Sad. Despondent. In low spirits, in loss of hope. After losing his job, he became despondent and stopped socializing with friends. The despondent expression on her face revealed how much she was struggling. Despite the despondent mood in the room, the speaker tried to inspire hope. Big. Colossal. Extremely large. The construction of the colossal dam required the efforts of thousands of workers. The museum houses a colossal statue that dates back to the ancient times. The project faced colossal challenges, but the team managed to overcome them. Poor. Destitute. Extremely poor and lacking basic necessities. Many families in the region are destitute and rely on charity to survive. The destitute man begged for food on the streets, ignored by passers-by. After the war, the country was left in a destitute state, struggling to rebuild. Scared. Petrified. Extremely frightened. She was petrified when she saw the snake in her garden. The petrified child clung to his mother during the thunderstorm. He felt petrified at the thought of speaking in front of a large audience. To get a free PDF of this video, join Telegram channel Arun IELTS Classes, link in the description below. Angry. Furious. Extremely angry. The manager was furious when the project deadline was missed. She was furious at the unfair treatment she received. His furious reaction shocked everyone in the room. Hot, sweltering, extremely hot. The sweltering heat made it difficult to stay outdoors. They drank cold water to cope with the sweltering weather. The sweltering temperatures caused a spike in energy consumption. Cold, frigid, extremely cold. The frigid wind made it impossible to stay outside for long. They bundled up in warm clothes to brave the frigid winter. The water in the lake was frigid, even in early summer. Important, crucial, extremely important. Teamwork is crucial for the success of any project. It is crucial to address climate change before it's too late. His role in the negotiation was crucial to reaching an agreement. Interesting, captivating, extremely interesting. The documentary was so captivating that I watched it twice. Her captivating storytelling kept the audience engaged. The novel's captivating plot made it hard to put down. Boring, monotonous, dull and repetitive. The monotonous routine of daily life made him crave adventure. The lecture was so monotonous that many students fell asleep. She found the job monotonous and decided to look for a new one. Easy, effortless, very easy. For her, solving complex math problems was effortless. The chef made cooking a 5-course meal look effortless. His effortless charm won over everyone he met. Hard, arduous, very difficult. Climbing the mountain was an arduous task that took days. The arduous journey tested their physical and mental strength. Completing the project on time was an arduous challenge. Fast, rapid, very fast. The rapid growth of the city led to several infrastructure issues. The company's rapid expansion surprised its competitors. The rapid spread of the virus caused widespread panic. Slow, sluggish, very slow. The sluggish internet connection frustrated everyone. A sluggish response to the crisis was criticized. The economy's sluggish growth worried investors. Old, ancient, very old. The ancient ruins attracted tourists from around the world. The ancient manuscript provided valuable insights into history. The ancient traditions of the tribe were preserved for generations. New, novel, new and original. The scientists proposed a novel approach to solving the problem. Her novel ideas revolutionized the industry. The book offered a novel perspective on a familiar topic. Confused. Perplexed. Very confused. The perplexed expression on his face showed he didn't understand. She was perplexed by the sudden change in his behavior. The perplexed audience struggled to follow the complex lecture. Famous. Renowned. Very famous and respected. The city is renowned for its vibrant cultural festivals. She is a renowned expert in her field. The restaurant is renowned for its delicious seafood dishes. To get a free PDF of this video lesson, join our Telegram channel Arun IELTS Classes. The link is in the description below. You can also join our Band 9 Premium IELTS Mastery course. Download application Arun IELTS Classes from the Play Store. For more information, you can also text or call on my WhatsApp number, which is on the screen. Thanks for watching.